Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect Cloudflare to your custom domain. So first go to cloudflare.com, and here we're just going to change our name servers on our custom domain to point to Cloudflare. So the first thing we want to do is either log in or sign up. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So now once you're here, just click add site, and we're gonna start adding our website. So once you click add site, you have to put in your domain name. So here, go to your domain registrar, and then get your domain name and then put it inside the box. Here, just choose free unless you're willing to pay or something, and click confirm. So here it'll just scan your existing DNS records, so if you already have it connected to your site, it'll automatically import them. Here I'm just gonna put direct my naked domain to the Google DNS. So these are the name servers that you have to point your freenom or whatever domain you have. So you go to your domain registrar, management, and then you change the name servers, and then put in the name servers that it gives you. So once it says changes saved successfully, you can go back, and then we should be able to update it. It does take some time for it to register though. Click done. Make sure this is on full. If you're on flexible, there's some looping things, so just make it on full. Flexible doesn't work. I recommend you always use HTTPS, and then just leave the other settings alone, and then click done. And then you can scroll down here and then click recheck now to see if your name servers have updated. So it does take time, but you'll get an email once it's updated. Okay, so now it's working. Once it says this, that Cloudflare is now protecting your site, now you can go change all of the settings. Okay, so first you can go to DNS to change any DNS settings that you want. You can add records and stuff. It's just something random, just to show you. And then there's also SSL and TLS, so that's the security ones. Make sure this one's on full, like I said before. Flexible, it just messes everything up. Here, leave everything alone as long as you always use HTTPS on. I feel like that's the best, because HTTPS is secure, HTTP is not. Then there's all of these other settings that I don't even know what they do. But in speed, you can go to optimization, and then you can use these settings to make your pages load faster. But do not use Rocket Loader, because it ruins some embedded items in your website. Here, AMP real URL shows a Google's failed page. And then mobile redirect is like if you're on mobile, like iOS or Android or something, then if you go to your website, it'll redirect you to like a mobile friendly version. Here in caching, you can purge everything to reset. In page rules, this is in replacement of the naked SSL that I showed you guys in the previous like free domain video. So here what you can do is point your domain / whatever path, make it a forwarding URL, 301 permanent redirect to your www.yourdomain / the path that they choose. So if they chose, like if they did davy504.tk / home, then it would take them to www.davy504.tk / home. And same for all the other subdomains or extensions or whatever. Then click save if you want to do the forwarding. And that's pretty much it. So now when that's on, if anybody was to go to davy504.tk / something, they would take to https / www.davy504.something.